All right, man. So what's going on with y'all? I'm Zilly G, and I'm back with a longer video. All right, so man, of course y'all seen by the title, man. We're gonna talk about why men don't get slut shame versus women. All right, so I hope my painting right here in the back don't contradict what I'm saying, but but yeah, so so we're gonna talk about why men don't get slut shamed versus women, right? So all right, man. So I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. I don't want to make a long video, so I'm gonna try to make at least 10 minutes or shorter. So let's get down to the nitty gritty. So we know men, right? Plain and simple, we know that men, we are the quote unquote hunters, right? We the pursuers. We the one that's supposed to, find the women, find the right girl. You know what I'm saying? Um, and and we know that, like, women, especially the right kind of women, she's supposed to be like the dainty flower in the field, or the, you know what I'm saying, or like the, you know what I'm saying, like the very precious, you know what I'm saying, virtuous, you know what I'm saying, woman that, that's found, you know what I'm saying, by a strong masculine man, and a man of God by that. I'm at that, not by that, but a man of God at that. Um, so now, so like what I'm trying to say is, I know I had a little long pause, but what I'm trying to say is it's pretty self-explanatory though. So if men, if we're the hunters, we're the pursuers, we're supposed to go look for women, right? Okay, so right there, it's already natural for us to be in the face of a lot of women. You know what I'm saying? And as a woman, if you're supposed to be like this laid back, virtuous woman that's supposed to be found and stuff like that, when you see a woman that when she says, oh, you hear a lot of women in today's age say like, oh, why do women have to get slut shamed, and why can't we have a fun and have our whole phase like like men do, and you know what I'm saying, I think the women, we deserve rights, we deserve, you know what I'm saying, like, they say stuff like that. And it's just like when you meet a woman that does that, right? When she has that type of mentality, and she acts on that mentality of like, oh, I want to have my whole face, I want to go have my fun and have sex, you know what I'm saying, explore men and stuff like that. When a woman does have that type of mentality, it automatically, you know what I'm saying, just simultaneously, like, it becomes unattractive to both men and women, you know what I'm saying, because it's almost like you acting outside of the. Okay, my storage got full, so I had to start my video over again, so this is the next little part to it. So but yeah, so it's almost like you acting outside of your, you know what I'm saying, like your boundary, or like your programming that God gave you as a woman, like, when you, like, you stepping out of that, like, kind of like that mysterious, alluring, virtuous role as a woman, you know what I'm saying, and like you trying to basically like be like a man, you trying to go out here and pursue, get a little taste of him, get a little taste of him, get a little, you know what I'm saying, and it's like and you know what I'm saying, that's like it, you know what I'm saying, that it almost naturally becomes unattractive, especially to men, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so women, you don't want to do that, man. So we're gonna talk about where I put my little book with that. Oh, hold on one second, it's right here. Hold on. All right, so we're gonna talk about it's like this little scripture, right? And this is Proverbs 31 verse 10, King James version. So and it reads, and I'm gonna put it up here too. I'm gonna put it up here, and it reads, "Who can find a virtuous woman? For her price is far above rubies." I'm gonna read that again. I'm gonna read it again for y'all. Proverbs 31, chapter 31, verse 10, King James version. "Who can find a virtuous woman? For her price is far above rubies." All right, so that right there lets you know alone that you as a woman alone. All right, so to make a long story short, Am I saying that God made men to whore after women and have sex with this girl and that girl and that girl? No, of course not. Do us men take advantage of that so-called privilege or whatever, male privilege? Yeah, we do take advantage of that because, you know what I'm saying. So, in the sight of God, whether you male or female, if you horn around it, it's both bad and it's seen as a sin to God. Either way you put it. So, but as far as the world, they're gonna try to justify. They're gonna try to find a way to demonize the women for it because just because of the simple fact that they can and the option is there. So that's simply why men get slut shamed versus women, just because society takes advantage of the role of a man being a hunter or whatever, and they use it as an excuse to saying like, okay, well, it's okay for men to be in everybody face and hoe around and stuff like that, but not women because you're supposed to be laid back, you're supposed to be chilling and stuff like that. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty self-explanatory, right? But yeah, man, share this video, like this video, comment if you have your own input. This was mine, and I added a scripture in there just to kind of show y'all. But yeah, man. So until the next video, y'all be easy, be safe, take care.